É nóis.
Oi, gente. Say oi, gente. Gente. Hoje eu tô aqui com minha amiga Jenna. Fala oi. Say oi.
What does that mean?
Hello.
Oi.
Então, eu pensei em falar algumas palavras em português e fazer ela adivinhar o que são. Okay, so I'm gonna say a word and you have to guess what it means. This first one is putaria. Putaria.
Diarrhea.
Ela falou diarreia, mas não é diarreia não. Diarrhea é diarreia. Diarreia é diarrhea.
I was right?
No. Putaria. Putaria.
That could be anything in the whole world. I don't know.
This isn't gonna work.
Putaria.
Do you know what puta is in Spanish?
No.
Oh god. Okay, let's do something else instead. Let's ask some things. What's the capital of Brazil?
Rio de Janeiro. No.
Rio de Janeiro. No.
It's not?
No.
That's just where the thing is, right?
Christ the Redeemer, yes. It sounds a lot like the name of the country.
Brasil.
Brasil. No.
I don't know. What is it?
Brasilia. Brasilia.
Didn't know that.
Okay. What was the name of the city that I was in Brazil?
I don't know. I didn't talk to you for 3 years.
Okay, that didn't work.
I checked you on Snap Maps a couple times, but like, weren't you kind of on the outskirts of the city?
Yeah, honestly.
I don't remember the name.
Salvador. Okay. What language do they speak in Brazil?
Portuguese.
Yeah!
Oh, that was right?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to like surprise me and say Spanish.
No, it's Portuguese.
Okay. Good.
What sport do they love in Brazil?
Soccer, but they call it football.
Yes, good. Do you know any Brazilian dances?
I know the one you just taught me.
Okay, go. Ela tá dançando Invocada de Ludmilla.
That was a fun one.
Que mais? What else? Would you ever go to Brazil?
Yes, but I would need to learn more about it first.
Jenna likes partying, so I think she'd really have fun there.
I think I would too.
Okay, what else can I ask? Do you know what a favela is?
A favela?
Yeah.
No.
Can you guess?
A waffle.
A waffle. No. It's like the poorer areas of the cities, like almost the ghetto, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
With like a bunch of people living in really close proximity, and that's where I lived.
So it's the name of like the community?
It's just the name of like the poor, like the slums kind of. They're not really as bad as slums, but they're not necessarily outskirts, but they're like marginalized communities.
And that's where you lived?
Yeah.
Did you have dirt as your floor?
No. It was like a nicer house, but there
That's
are
good.
some houses that are really, they can't afford anything else. And like violence can be really bad, but
Oh yeah.
not where I was, honestly. And it's just because people don't have another way to make money, so they kind of do drug trafficking.
Did you do drug trafficking?
No.
Why not?
Stayed away from that. Because
Sounds fun.
I'm a rich girl. Just kidding, because I'm on Snapchatting me again. Okay.
I'm a rich girl.
Say tchau, gente.
Tchau, gente.
Foi prazer.
It sounds like you're trying to say a word, but like not really fully getting it out. It's like tchau, gente. What do I have to say?
Foi prazer.
Foi prazer.
Yes, and then say oxi.
Does that mean oh shit?
Kind of.
Oxi.
Oxi. And then say puta que pariu.
Puta que pariu.
Puta que pariu.
Puta que pariu.
Okay, good. And then
What
say
does that mean?
bitch you gave birth. It's like a swear word. Say, try to say pão. Ela conseguiu. Melhor que muitos gringos, né?
Maluca, como this? Oh, you don't want me to copy you anymore?
You can, it's funny. It's because there's two words. There's pão, which is bread, and then there's pau, which is dick. And most like gringos
Pow. So just saying like pow
is
means
dick.
nice.
Yeah, and then pão, which with like the nasally sound again is bread. Yeah. Então, now do this. And then say é nóis.
And noise. Does that mean peace out?
It's like, it's us. Hell yeah.
Oh. And noise.